Now let us discuss the various angles formed in the twist drill. They are helix angle, point angle, lip relief angle, and chisel edge angle. Helix angle is the angle formed between leading edge of the drill and the drill axis. Point angle is the angle formed between both flanks of the drill. Lip relief angle is the angle formed between the flank and the line normal to the drill axis. Chisel edge angle is the angle formed between a chisel edge and the line normal to the drill axis. The most common materials used for making twist drills are high-speed steel and high-carbon steel.